Okay guys, let's say that I have these raw files that I want to shift from this folder into this particular folder which contains only the raw files. But the problem is I need to manually just select these, cut that, and then go to that folder manually and then paste it. But that takes too much time. What I want to do rather is I should have a shortcut where I can just directly select the items, right click on it and go to send to. Now here I need to see that particular folder so that I can directly send to that folder. So it's very simple to do. What I'll do is I'll just create the shortcut of this on desktop, send to, and create shortcut on desktop. Just make sure that you have the shortcut here, and then we will go to the start menu and right here run command. And here you have to type this simple command which is shell : and right here send to, enter. So it will open the send to folder. Now what we need to do is just drag and drop directly from here to the send to folder. What you can also do is, if you are not using some shortcuts like fax recipient and TeamViewer, you can delete that. So that's it. Let's close this and now let's check. I'll select some files, right click, go to the send to option, and here I can directly shift to this shortcut. But remember, it will only copy the files to the other location. It will not cut from the existing location. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. And if you want to see some specific topic, you can comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.